It was a division-clinching victory, but it came at quite the cost. The Eagles are the winners of the NFC East, but now they'll have to push on to the playoffs without Carson Wentz. The star quarterback limped off the field in Los Angeles last night, and today we learned he'll stay on the sidelines with a torn ACL. It is Monday afternoon. I'm Brian Taft.
And I'm Monica Malpass in for Shari Williams. The big story on Action News is Wentz's season-ending injury. We have team coverage of this bittersweet moment for the Birds. Chad Perdelli will bring us reaction from fans. But first, we go live to South Philadelphia. Jamie Apody with the official word from the team. Jamie, tough one.
Yeah, Brian and Monica, it was like our worst fears realized. Doug Peterson only uttered 2 words, the only ones he had to utter: torn ACL. It took the wind out of Eagles fans' sails. Carson Wentz's historic season is over, and more worrisome at this rate is what the 6 to 9 month rehab might mean for next season. Let's take a look again at the injury when it occurred yesterday. Here's where it happened. Wentz running in a touchdown late in the third quarter that was later called back because of a hold. He got sandwiched between 2 defenders. He came up limping. The amazing thing is he stayed in the game, and a few plays later threw a touchdown pass to Alshon Jeffrey that set the Eagles record for touchdown passes in a season. Shows you just how tough this guy truly is. So now what? Well, the Eagles are still 11-2. They're still in the driver's seat for home field advantage throughout the playoffs, and they still have Super Bowl aspirations. I asked Doug Peterson what his message is to the fans who have now lost hope.
And to the fans out there, they can't you can't lose faith. I mean, this has been a resilient football team all season long, and you know, if there's ever an opportunity for me as a head football coach to rally the troops, you know, now might be the time. There's still a lot to play for, and that's what's exciting about the rest of this season. We're still playing for that opportunity to hopefully be in that game. And Nick has played a ton of football, and you never want it to be under these circumstances, but at the same time, you know, my confidence is extremely high in Nick.
Yeah, it's that time of year, so bring on St. Nick. Let's not forget that he's done this before. The last time the Eagles made the playoffs in 2013, it was Nick Foles who led them there. He had 27 touchdowns to just 2 interceptions that season. As for Carson Wentz, a rehab for a torn ACL is 6 to 9 months. The preseason begins about 8 months from now for 2018, so let's just hope he's healed by then. It'll be tight.